Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how you can get multi-snap back on your Snapchat. Alright, so let's begin with the video. So as of most of you right now updated their Snapchat, and they have lost the feature of multi-snap, which was in the My Camera section. In all of these settings, it was available. But after the update, there is no such an option available to multi-snap. So it appears to be due to recent updates on the Snapchat application. During these updates, certain features may experience temporary issues as developer working to resolve them. Some users suggest to logging out from the application and logging back again help them to restore the multi-snap functionality. So, click on your profile at the top left corner of your screen and then click on Settings. Here, scroll down and simply log out and log in back and see if you have gotten your multi-snap back or not. So as I said after the update, this feature is gone. So you might need to wait until few weeks until Snapchat releases a new update including this feature. Until then, we just need to wait and see if they're going to include it or not. So that's basically how you can get multi-snap back on your Snapchat. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks!